Now that's a hard thing to do, even with like gum or something like that.
I shall now attempt to eat 100. A rubber!
Have you got any paper clips? 'Cause I can swallow one.
Alright.
Damn, I shouldn't have said that.
Here we go, folks. You heard him. He's gonna do it.
Can I get a drink or something like that?
Alright, then. We're getting him a drink.
Let's roll.
Let's see anything now, bitches. Woo! Woo! It's forward, dumbass. Woo! Yes. Fork.
Why am I doing this?
Because you already said you would.
Oh man.
Quick, glug, 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 glug.
Thirsty.
You did that just because you wanted some drink. Some booze. I want boobies now.
Oh man, I didn't even swallow it.
Oh, look at that. Pussy, pussy, pussy,
Do it
pussy.
again. No, that's how far.
I want to see this swallow did it did. You get it?
Yep.
He's got to shit that out in a couple of days, so it's going to be painful. Probably get all twisted. And cut his ass into shreds.